We're building what matters in the industries that keep the world turning. For more than 50 years, American Crane and Equipment Corporation has been respected for its people and its products. Safety, quality, reliability, not just words for us. They're essential components in everything we do. Now hiring crane and hoist service technicians to provide support for growing industries such as nuclear, aerospace, energy, and semiconductor across the nation. Your independence and diagnostic skills will be critical in keeping our customers up and running safely and efficiently. Working directly with the customer, you'll show why ASECO has been the most trusted to lift since 1972. Learn more about our competitive starting salary for this position and company offered benefits at americancrane.com/careers.